Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another Grove collaborative haul for you guys. This is my second order from Grove Collaborative. This is my second order using Grove Collaborative. And if you missed my first video, I will leave that linked in the cards for you guys. I know that is pretty, like the timing and spacing between that video and this video is pretty close, but to be honest, I received that first package in January and now it's February and that's when I got this package. So if you're part of like the VIP like membership, it's $19.99 a year, so only 20 bucks a year, which I think is totally worth it because of all the free stuff that you get, like especially like in your welcome, like your first order, you get so much free stuff, and then along the way they always just give you so much free stuff. So I think the $19.99 a year, I think it's totally worth it. But if you're part of the VIP, you can set up an auto ship of like maybe the same regular products that you use on a regular basis, or you can try out new things, but you can set things up to ship like every 1 month, every 2 months, every 3 months, every 6 months, like however works for you and however like quickly or slowly you're going through your products. So I did end up placing another order with them and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. And look, every time I get a package, they always handwrite my name. It says, "Thank you, Jacqueline," except no one ever calls me Jacqueline, but that's what my name on the shipping says. So I think that's just a sweet touch, like they handwrite a little thank you on the box itself. So let's go ahead and open this. I did also get free stuff in this one too. So much free stuff. Oh, I guess I should explain a little bit. This is not sponsored or anything like that. It was something that I kept seeing on Instagram that really caught my attention, so I wanted to try it out for myself. And so I just wanted to share what I'm using, what I'm picking up and trying out, and my experience with it. So yeah, the first order, I got so much free stuff. So that alone, that just single order alone was already worth it for me, like that yearly membership fee, which I haven't paid yet. They're not charging me until March or April. I forgot which one. I think March. That's when they're actually going to charge me for the annual fee, but I think it's only $20. So let's go ahead and check it out. Grove Collaborative is a website that has a bunch of like household items, whether it's like cleaning items, they have pet stuff, baby stuff, wellness, beauty, and it's all like natural, eco-friendly, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and just good for you, good for the environment. I think it's super cool. They do have other things on their website, but so far I've only been interested in the cleaning products. Maybe I'll try their beauty stuff or their pet stuff, or like, you know, the other things that they offer. Maybe I'll check that out, but I'm just super interested in the cleaning supplies, and they have brands that I'm already familiar with, that I already love. They have Mrs. Meyer's. They have, oh actually I think they also have Dr. Bronner. I could be wrong. I think I saw that on the website though. They also have Method, 7th Generation. So these are brands that, you know, we're familiar with already, but you get, sometimes they offer it at a discounted price. Sometimes they're the same price as like Target or Walmart. So you kind of just have to look through it, but you get free shipping if you're part of like the VIP membership, and also all the perks and free products and gifts that they send. So I'll let you guys know what I purchased and what was sent as a gift. So there was only one item that I needed a refill on, and it's the dish soap. Oh my gosh, love this stuff. So I got the exact same one as last time. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap in lemon verbena scent. I love this scent so much. They taped it up this time. They didn't do that last time. Oh my gosh, so good. I love this one so much. So I feel like this is definitely a product that I would add to like ship once a month, like an auto ship. So, because I use this a lot. The next thing I've never tried this out, so I wanted to test it out. This is from Method. This is the Fragrance Boosters in Beach Sage. Ooh, I'm nervous. I hope I like this scent. Otherwise, that's gonna suck to use this in my laundry. Oh, that smells like very minty. Beach Sage. Okay, I smell like a little bit of like lemon, but it's very minty. what is it, like, where does it say in here? What is in here? I don't know, that wasn't what I was expecting with beach sage. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell amazing either, but it doesn't smell bad. I think I like it. I don't love it, but I think I like it. So we'll use this with our laundry and we'll see. Johnny's the picky one, so I'm kind of nervous what he's gonna think of this, but hopefully it's okay. So you would just put, is this like a measuring thing here? I think you would just fill this up and add that to your laundry, and it just adds this boost, like this scent boost. Johnny and I, we always use the, what's the brand? I don't know what the brand is, but I know it's not a cruelty-free brand and it's not like a natural brand or anything like that. It's just whatever we see at Food for Less. But we use a scent booster all the time with our laundry. But I figured, let me try Method, because I know that they don't test on animals. And it says the bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic. So I'm actually at my parents' house right now, and I did bring my laundry. So I will actually test this out today when I do my laundry. So follow my vlog channel and I'll give you guys an update on what I think of this on the vlogs. And then the last thing that I purchased, I believe, yeah, was the Grove Collaborative Microfiber Mop. So, ooh, I have a mop right now at home, and it's just one that I found at Big Lots. It's like a magic eraser mop type thing. It sucks. It is so terrible, and it's so like dirty. Like, I don't know how to keep it clean. And this, what I liked about it, was that you can actually take this guy off, this like fiber cloth thing, and stick it in your washing machine. So I was like, okay, good. There's a way for me to actually like clean this, so it's not always like so yucky and gross. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's put this together and see. There, okay, so that's okay. Oh, there's, turn this way to lock it. Okay, turn that way to lock it. Okay, there you go. That is how long it gets. And then let me rip this thing off here. So there you go, looks like this. And the head goes like, oh, goes all different kind of ways. Woo, I'm excited. If you watched my last Grove Collaborative haul, I got the Method, the floor cleaner. I forgot the exact name, but I got the floor cleaner, which I've actually been loving that product. So now I can pair it with this mop. And this is from Grove Collaborative. They have their own like brand of products. So I definitely want to test out their products and see like how they are. But this mop is like the first one that I've tried. Let me make this short. Oopsie. Is that as short as it gets? Okay. This is awesome. Look at how tiny it gets. I can easily just store this in our closet, which is so perfect. And one of the, like, I read the reviews, and that was like one of the things I was excited for, because Johnny and I don't have a lot of storage in our apartment. It's very small, so this will fit perfectly. Just like slide it into the closet. It will take up no space at all. Look at how skinny this is. This is perfect. And again, you can take this off. Oh, it's just, is it just Velcro? Or that's not even like Velcro. Sort of is. I don't know how to describe that, but you can just rip this off. Oh, and then there's little latches over here. Okay, so that's how you remove it, so you can stick it in the wash. Okay, that seems easy enough. There we go. Just press that on. And bada bing, bada boom, we are ready to get mopping. Okay, and I got 3 more things, but these were the free gifts. So these I did not pay for, they were sent as part of my order. So the first one, oh, this is from the brand Grove, why do I keep saying Grove Collaborative. This is the hand sanitizer gel in blood orange with moisturizing coconut oil. I think we should try this out right now. Let's try this out. Open. Oh, oops, oh, I just spilled that in there. This smells really good. I actually really like this hand sanitizer. Next, I got another product from Grove Collaborative. This is the Mint and Argan Lip Balm with Hydrating Chia Seed Oil. Ooh, let's check this out. It says supremely hydrating, ultra nourishing with organic argan, chia seed, and coconut oil. Our lip balm provides a powerful dose of antioxidants and essential fatty acids for healthy, beautiful lips. And then the last product that I got, again, this was a free gift. I'm really excited because I was planning on purchasing this myself when I saw it on the website, but when I saw it offered as a free gift, I was like, hey, why not? Again, this is from the brand Grove Collaborative, and these are the glass straws. It's a set of 4 glass straws with a straw cleaner.
A little later.
Oh my gosh, sorry about that. I don't even know where I left off. Zoe emergency. Where did I even leave off? I think the last thing I was showing you guys was the glass straws. So again, this is from the brand Grove Collaborative, and this is a set of 4 glass straws plus a straw cleaner. And I was planning to order these already, like when I saw them on the website, but it came as a free gift. So look at the straws. These look like, if you have tiny boba, I was gonna say these look like boba straws, but they're a little bit too skinny for actual boba. So if you have like mini boba balls, oh my gosh, these are awesome. And so here's the cleaner. So if you have like green juice or whatnot, you can clean it all the way through like that, and then also go through here to clean it out, and you can like twist this little guy so then your straws are nice and clean. I'm so excited to use these for like green juice and stuff in the mornings. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. So I bought 3 items and then I got 3 items for free. So I don't know if it's always going to be like this, like every order you get free items, but so far it's looking like that. I've been getting free stuff with every order, so I think that's pretty cool. Again, you can use Grove Collaborative without joining and doing like the VIP membership, but again, with the VIP membership, it's only $19.99 a year, and you get free shipping, you get the perks of free products, and I think like discount on items. If you guys want to try out Grove, how many times have I called it Grove Collaborative? If you guys want to check out Grove Collaborative, I will have a referral link down below. If you use that link to sign up, you will get 5 free items with your first order. How freaking awesome is that? So if you want to take advantage, use that link below. Again, this is not sponsored or anything. I'm just sharing my experience using this website. And one of my girlfriends, I will say this, like a little mini review. One of my girlfriends actually tried Grove Collaborative, and she had the paper towels from the website, and she said those are really hard, and she did not recommend them at all. Did I just see a fly in here? Anyways, so maybe I'll have to try them for myself, but I didn't hear good things about that. That is all. But everything else so far I've been really liking, and the products that I've been using from my first unboxing, so far I've been liking all of them except the room spray, which it's only because of the scent that I chose. I thought I got lemon verbena, but I actually got pine, which is not a bad scent. It's just too much of a Christmassy scent, so it just doesn't work for this time of year. But yeah, I've been loving everything so far. Again, these are brands that I'm familiar with. I think maybe my next order, I might want to try some products from Grove Collaborative. They have some cleaning products and things like that. They have like a laundry detergent that I'm interested in trying. And what else did they have? I can't remember, but go check out the website. I even downloaded the app, and you can do everything from the app as well. Like you can see what is on your next like auto ship like shopping cart, and you can adjust it and change it however you wish. So there's lots of flexibility with it, and I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to continue doing these unboxings of my orders. I can definitely do that every month or every other month, however often I'm ordering from them. So let me know if you guys would like to see that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!